Yeah.
Like we did when there were still ducks. I prefer to use a knife and fork to eat rather than just gnawing it off the bone. That's because I've been away living in Brighton, so I'm more civilised now. As you can see, I use the fork to pull it off and put it in my mouth while I start a process called mastication. Now, you're not supposed to chew and eat at the same time, but I'm making an exception to my usual policy due to informing you of my mistakes. This is all fat. I can't have any of that. In fact, most of this is inedible, and that was cooked by your great-grandmother? Great-great-grandmother.
Mark had a duck leg and it
Lynn
wasn't
Kenny.
edible. Ray's eaten one. Got the cack out of the way tonight before.
Yes, I have a uniquely stylish way of holding a knife and fork, and it was named the cack-handed way. But it caught on and was all the rage in 2012. So. I'm just savouring the flavour now. It does taste of duck. So.
Thought that was amazing. Called the duck then.
It was. Really like to do a ritualistic mating call with the duck to sort of mock how dead it is. Or hopefully to call the duck necrophiliacs who will come and try and hump the corpse of the duck which we are digesting. I think I'm done. I think that's how you eat a duck leg.